Bethlehem, the city of peace that depends on the arrival of pilgrims from all over the world, is one of the cities most affected by the war. The outdoor gardens of the Catholic Action Foundation of the Custody of the Holy Land were reopened on the 9th of June. They are a beacon of hope, a message of love and peace, and a call for unity and solidarity in the face of challenges. The Franciscans of the Custody of the Holy Land always care about the churches and the people who are the living stones. Through this center, an important part of their mission is realized, as evidenced by the massive presence of all segments of the Christian community. This building nourishes their spirituality and provides them with a space and a place to experience different activities and aspects of their social, human life. It is an institution that dates back to 1952 and has unique facilities throughout the nation. The reopening of this institution after a period of closure instills hope in the people of the city of Bethlehem, who have been waiting for this moment for months, because this place offers a refuge for all. The objective of the Catholic Action Foundation is to create a global and supportive environment that gives young people the opportunity to relieve stress and develop their talents in sports, cultural, spiritual and social fields. Those in charge of this foundation believe that creating these safe and stimulating places helps to build a cohesive and prosperous society that values the principles of solidarity and cooperation. We are used to this great foundation playing this essential role in raising children and creating new generations. Catholic Action is used to playing a leading role in sport, culture and social events. The reopening of the foundation instills hope in people and illuminates the dark rooms of our hearts, despite the difficult circumstances and unfavorable political climate. Yes, in the dark night, the moon is missing.